Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver to driver version 596.21, and that will be a clean install. Now for this you can go to NVIDIA website, and once you go to NVIDIA website, the link is provided in the video description. Select your graphic card. Make sure that you select your graphic card over here. Select the right series and then select your graphic card. This is just an example. Make sure that you select your graphic card, your operating system. If you have Windows 10, select Windows 10. If you have Windows 11, select Windows 11. Click on Find. Now on this page you will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Whichever is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver, that is 596.21 right now. Click on View and then click on Download and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this exe file, and then you have to click on yes to allow. Click on OK and let the process complete. Once done, you will see agree and continue option. Click on agree and continue. Select custom option, and custom will give you an option for clean installation. If you want express, you can do express. So select custom, click on next, put a check on the box which says perform a clean installation, and then you can click on next and let the installation complete. Once the installation is complete, you can restart your PC, and after the system restart, you should be able to update your NVIDIA graphic card driver. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.